Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It has almost been 2 years since I posted any video on my channel. So believe me when I say this actually feels very surreal. I cannot tell you how delighted and grateful I am to be back to doing what I absolutely love the most, which is creating content for this channel. Well, I hope each and every one of you is doing absolutely fine. If you are an existing subscriber of mine, thank you so much for tuning back in. And if you are a new person here, then don't forget you can consider subscribing post watching this video. Well, for today's video, I have come up with an idea which is inspired from the Jharokhas, most commonly seen across the Indian classical architecture. So if you are looking to give your room a very traditional and an ethnic vibe, then don't forget to watch this video to the end because this tutorial is right for you. Not only is this tutorial super easy to make, but at the same time it's very cost effective and it can actually transform your room completely. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Starting off, get the template provided in the description box below printed on an A3 sheet and trim the edges to get the basic arc shape out. Secure the print on a sunboard piece using a scotch tape. I've used a scotch tape because it's easier to remove and doesn't leave any sort of damage later. Once the print is properly mounted on the sunboard, use an X-Acto knife or a pen knife to slowly start separating the white pieces. Make sure you go with a very firm hand and take it slow because this process usually takes some time, but at the end it's all worth it. The reason why I'm using a pen knife is because it's helpful in making precise cuts, which is what we need in this case. Also make sure you use a steel scale to get that extra support and clean cuts. I would suggest that you go with the sunboard which is 2 mm or 3 mm thick because if you're working with a thicker sunboard for the first time, you might feel a little hard to cut through. Once all of the internal pieces are separated from the sunboard, start to separate the boundary to get that arc shape out. I've made 2 similar pieces. You can make as many as you want depending upon the size of your wall. Now comes the fun part. Once you get the Jharokhas out, start with fixing plastic mirrors on the backside using Fevibond. The reason why I've used small square pieces is because I couldn't find bigger pieces. If you get the bigger pieces of plastic mirrors, you can definitely go with those. I will attach the link to these mirrors in the description box below just in case you want to buy. Since I made 2 Jharokhas, I made sure I'm using 2 different shades of mirrors so that they both reflect light a little differently.
Once you're done fixing the mirrors, use a scissor to cut the extra portion of the mirrors out. Now you know why I've used plastic mirror? Solely because it's easy to cut through and gives the same feel as any other mirror. Ta-da! You are done. Tear the back tape and let these shine on your wall.
Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to try this tutorial at your home and also share it with me on my social media handle, link to which is in the description box below. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel and press that bell icon just in case you wanna get notified every time I put up a new video. Please give this video a big thumbs up, comment on your views below and share it with your friends who might like it. Thank you so much yet again and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye bye, see you soon.